I'm very excited to be here again at one of our country's premier science facilities, the NRF South African Astronomical Observatory. This facility is over 200 years old. I'm sure you've been told now, making it South Africa's oldest observatory. It is also a heritage site, an important site of history, our history, to put it simply. This is our second science outreach program for the year 2026. The first was hosted in January, last month, in the Herigwada district in KwaZulu-Natal, and it involved learners from 4 schools. This program, the reason why I went there is part of my district development model mandate. I'm assigned by the president in that part of South Africa to work in that district and with that district. Through this program, that is the district development model and such outreach programs, we aim to support the Department of Basic Education in its mission to improve learner performance, reduce dropout rates, strengthen teaching and learning, in particular maths and science education, but also this is career guidance in practice. I'm thinking of myself now, Keleboge. When I was doing Form 3, I don't know what it's called now. Yeah, I wanted to be a medical doctor. Then I found out in my school there was no physical science in matric, so I abandoned that. And then I changed, I said, no, I want to be a lawyer. But then I got wrong career guidance about what lawyers do, which I don't want to say because I know it's not true, except that it was interesting career guidance because they made an example. Say, yeah, if you're a lawyer, your neighbor on the right-hand side stabs your neighbor on the left-hand side. What are you going to do? We are not going to, if you are to be a lawyer, you're not going to have neighbors. You are going to be hated. I said, thank you very much. I'm not going there. But the point I'm making is that career guidance is very important, and also it must be proper. So this contributes to that. This facility, together with the SAAO project, makes a significant contribution across a number of critical development areas, which are important not only for the advancement of science, but also for the socio-economic change or transformation in our country. As part of advancing public engagement and outreach through the SAAO Collateral Benefits Program, this facility significantly expanded its reach in 2025, engaging 51,136 participants. We are also promoting science tourism, by the way. We've launched a joint project with the Minister of Tourism, Umam Delil. We've launched our National Astro-Tourism Strategy. I'm informed that the engineering team of this facility assisted in restoring the Arab world's largest telescope in Egypt. By the way, I don't know if some of you have seen in the pictures a place called Dubai. It looks very shiny and everything. The single largest crop of engineers who are building Dubai are from South Africa. So again, that shows the potential. That's your own future. That there is nothing that you cannot do which you want to do. The work of this facility embodies the spirit of our department's mantra, which is placing science, technology, and innovation at the center of government, education, industry, and society. Now, let me just move towards ending my speech by talking to our most special guests, you, the learners. Nizihambeli zethu ezibaluleke kakhulu. And enye into engifuna ukuyisho, in case ningayazi, siwuhulumeni walelizwe siyanithanda. We love you as the government of this country because, as everybody else has said, you are the future. What do we expect from you in return as learners? Since we've brought you here, what do we then expect from you? We expect you to never forget that there was once a time in our country when black South Africans were prevented by law from studying science, or many fields of science and engineering, and it took the sacrifices of your parents and grandparents for things to change. So, what we expect from you is that grab this opportunity that you have now with both your hands. It often comes once, by the way. You can't say, I'm postponing, I'll do it tomorrow, because tomorrow this opportunity may be gone. Grab it, learn as much as you can out of here. We therefore expect you to be respectful, don't forget that, towards your parents, your educators, respect your fellow learners, no bullying, please. That doesn't feature anywhere in science, bullying. And also be respectful of your communities, and most importantly, to respect yourselves. And as I have said, in our communities. And we expect you therefore to stay away from alcohol, to stay away from drugs, and all other things that are destroying young people today. In conclusion, all the support and encouragement you are receiving from your parents, your teachers, government and communities is meant to make it possible for you to become our future engineers, astronauts, historians, by the way, scientists, drone technologists, all that we are expecting to come from you. Most importantly, we are giving you all this support because, as I have said, we love you. We love our youth because they are our future. And we want you to grow up to become respected members and leaders of society. And with that, we want to say to you then as our learners, good luck. Remember what Kelevogele said? Work, work, and I might then contribute, work harder. Thank you very much.